Hello guys, you welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a Gele tutorial, and you can see how beautiful that Gele is. Don't forget to tell me what you feel about this Gele on the comment section below. I know I'm not very perfect, but I know with time I'll get better. So just don't forget to comment, just express yourself, tell me what you feel about the tutorial. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll catch you. Thank you very much for watching. Just stay tuned. And first, I'll be pleating my gele. I like doing my pleats on my lap. I just put my pleats individually, one after the other. So that's how I get my pleats done. Next, I'll be placing it on our head. If you notice, one side is longer than the other side in this gele. Like I keep one side long and the other side short. Now I'll be taking the long side under the short one, and she'll be holding the short one at the other side. So now you can see she's holding the short part, while the long one, I'll bring it out to this other side. So right now I'll be putting pleats. I don't put much pleats here, I just put like 3 or 2 pleats, and I take it over to the other side of the head. So when I've taken it to the other side, I just secure it with a pin, just to make sure it's in place, it doesn't move. Please, so when pinning, be careful before you choke someone's ears. Please, just have to be careful. You just pin it, make sure your hand is inside so you don't prick her ears. Next, I'll start my plaits. The pleats, they are pretty much easy, but I don't know what you have to say about this gele. Just keep a comment if you have anything to say about it. If it's not properly slayed, just keep a comment. I'll know where to try my best next time. So now I'll start putting my pleats. I pleat from this end to the other end. You see the place she's placing her hand, that's where I start my pleats. I'll tell her to remove her hand, then I'll put the hand back, then I pleat to the end, to the other side. So that's pretty much, did I just, okay, that's pretty much what I do at my gele. She just keeps holding while I run my pleats over. She holds, I run my pleats over. I still continue with my pleats. Guys, this hair is coming out. Wow, I really love it. Some people call it round 1 million pleats. There is V 1 million pleats. I don't know. I just know there's splits inside this gilly. I don't know what to call it, but I'll just follow the trend. We'll join them and call it what they are calling it. So that's the last one now. You can see it's very, very fast. It doesn't take much time. I didn't fast forward this video. That's the last one now, and in between I always try to make sure my pleats are in place, like they are well arranged and always together. Yes. Now I'll be going over to the back, and I don't tie my gele. I just pin at the back. So all I'll be doing is just to arrange it. Follow the way the pleats were before. Just arrange the pleats, take it over to the back and pin. That's pretty much what I do. I don't tie. I just feel this is easier for me. I use my pin to secure my gele instead of tying it. So guys, don't judge me. I just love the style. And like I said before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you're new to this channel, you're very, very welcome. And don't forget to like my videos. And give it a thumbs up. So this is the end part of the gele. I hope you like it. Hope you liked it. So thank you.